Like, ah! But the big question is, would I repurchase? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different for me. I don't want to say I'm going through a rut, but I'm definitely going through something. In other aspects of my life, I am really happy. So like, it's like this weird, like conflicted feeling I've been having lately. So I felt like I needed to change something. And I've come to you guys and I've shown you guys this hair. This is from Wondess hair. This is the same hair that I've had before. And you might notice that it does look a little bit different. I don't know if you can see on camera. I did go ahead and get my hair lightened. I love it. I just needed something different, and I felt like the hair that I had was just like laying on my head, not doing anything for me. The black, like I love dark hair, but like I just needed a change. I had one of the stylists at my Ulta do this to me. It was a lot more blonde, like, and my hair was a lot longer, but she did trim me up a little bit. And you guys, I've been loving this hair. This hair took color really, really well. I really do love it, but it's still not doing it for me. I need something. I'm gonna be doing this today. Why not? I'm so nervous, you guys. So this is the Loreal Glam Grunge Highlights Kit. I am going for like this dusty mauve kind of color. I mean, it says you can get that light, but obviously I'm not that light. So I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. Disclaimer, I am not a hair person. Makeup is my thing. I barely know how to curl my hair, let alone dye my hair. The only thing I've done to my hair myself is relax my hair, which we know how that turned out. But yeah, I need to change. I need to do something. I don't know why I have such an attachment to my hair, but I need to just step out of my comfort zone and just do something different. If you want to see how I get from this to this, then just keep watching. Okay, so a few ingredients. You're gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need a brush. You're gonna need your bleach. I have 3 packets of the L'Oreal Quick Blue High Performance. Going on recommendations here. I really, really hope it's good. And then I got the 30 Developer just because my hair is already pre-lined and I don't want to damage it all the way. But I want to be blonde, so. Oh, and gloves. You're gonna need gloves. Be in a well-ventilated room so you don't die. All right, so let's just get started. I don't have a lot of time. My battery's already dying. It's so annoying. It's these black gloves here. You guys don't mind my shirt. It says sipping on gym and juice, knowing damn well my ass not in the gym. Okay, we're ready. We've got our gloves. Already freaking out. It's like my only day off and I just like had to get a lot done today. So I just want to treat myself and do my hair. So I'm going to begin off by sectioning it. I'm trying to go by track. So I separated my hair down the middle. I just want to make this a little bit more even. What I'm gonna do is I'm brushing it out. Oh, you can see my natural hair. Don't look at it. I really do love this hair and I do plan to get my hair redone. So I'm not afraid to reuse this hair. It is really beautiful. Hopefully I don't ruin it. So I'm gonna split this into 2s. So I'm gonna start off with this piece here. And then I'm gonna back comb the root. So that way when I'm applying the bleach, it's not like a harsh, I can't even tease right. Because I do want to have quite a bit of root left. So I'm gonna cut there. I'm going to pour the mixture into the bowl. So this is how much bleach came in that 1 packet. I did get 3, so hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna take my 30 Developer. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so nervous. And then I want it to be like runny, but not too runny. Not too thick either. So I poured a little bit in, and then I'm just gonna mix that. So with the mixture, this is how much it's given me. You can see the texture is slightly thicker. It's not gonna fall out. So that's what I want. Okay. I already got some on my hands. I'm just gonna take this front section and then I'm gonna try not to get it on the areas that like I'm already so blonde. I'm just gonna take my fingers and just go at it because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to saturate the hair, you know, and you want to work fast. So I'm not gonna foil them. I really probably should, but I'm not going to. Oh my God, you guys, I'm afraid I'm not gonna have enough bleach. Like, I'm literally freaking out now because I've already started. No turning back. Oh my God, I need to work faster. Oh my God, I'm getting it everywhere. You guys can see all my natural hair is like growing back. I think I'm gonna go in like another week and get my hair done. You know, I gotta make that thing last though. I can't tell if it's just like hot in my room or if it's like really hot in here because of the bleach on my neck. I'm just mixing another mixture. I'm sure everyone at home that actually does hair for a living is like dying right now, watching me fuck up my head. I know like this part I'm like worried about just because it's so light right there. But like I already like am so into it that like it is what it is. If anything, I feel like worst case scenario, I'll just dye it black again. I'm just going through and making sure I got every piece. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a while, about 20, 30, 40 minutes. Wash myself off. And then we'll be right back. Okay, so this is my hair after bleaching. As you can see, it did pick up and lift a lot more than I thought it was going to. Like, I'm actually really happy with how it is. I look a lot more yellow, orangey, like brassy on camera, but it's not like that in person. If I had the time, I would probably tone this before I put on the Loreal color. But since I don't, and I'm so impatient, it's been like the longest day. Like, as I was even blow drying my hair, my power kept going out 5 times. I had to go downstairs, switch all the things. Anyways, it looked like it took the bleach really, really well over here especially. It doesn't look or feel too dried out, which is really nice. Yeah, I really love how it is. And honestly, I would probably, like if I wasn't doing this color, I would probably even just like tone it and leave it like this. Because I love the blonde, I love the color, I love how light it is. You can tell I was getting frustrated, like blow drying my hair and the power going out. But, and you can see this big guy right there. Oh well. The show must go on. You guys, I did good for my first bleach job. I wish you could tell on camera how nice it looks. It doesn't look as brassy as it does. Like over here, I effed up big time. Oh well, you're not gonna really see that when my hair is down. Split those 2 sections into another 2 sections. I'll put that there. Let's start off with this guy. And I'm going to kind of like paint it on. And then I'm gonna go in and saturate it. Ooh, 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 it's dripping on my leg. I don't care about this shirt. Make sure you guys are wearing a shirt that like, you don't care if it gets messed up. Even though I love my neck. Young neck. I'm going to I'm gonna kind of just squeeze. I'm getting dye everywhere. Oh my god. I'm just not patient when it comes to my hair. Like, I can spend literally, if you give me 4 hours to get ready, I'll take the whole 4 hours to do like my makeup and stuff. Oh, fuck. With my hair, I just get so impatient. I'm just like, oh. I don't even know if like this even looks good. I've been really wrapped up in like making sure like I'm giving good quality stuff and putting things out that I'm proud of, but like I just think too much about things and then I end up not putting anything out, you know, and I get too hard on myself and I don't want to do anything, you know. Okay, so it looks like I have everything completely saturated. It looks really dark. I'm gonna let it sit for a while and then rinse it out. Hopefully it gives us some light and dimension. The whole point of me going to like a color and bleaching my hair is because I wanted it lighter, but I mean, I just wanted a change, you guys. I needed a change. So I'm gonna let my hair sit for a little bit longer. Hey guys, so flash forward a week. That color that I put on in the last clip, that mauve, dusty mauve, that lasted about 3 days in my hair. I loved it though. It was like a nice, just like a wash. It really didn't show up like it did in the picture, but it did leave like this beautiful like purple like haze to my hair color. You can see here, like especially the ends still have that kind of mauve-y kind of color. Like I said, that was about a week ago since I filmed that last clip. Since then, I really have not washed my hair. I just washed my hair today and got it done just for this video because this hair is on its last leg. Well, I probably could still reuse it, but the closure needs to retire. But you guys, this hair is beautiful. All I've done since then, this is the punky color Get the Yellow Out, which is just a purple shampoo. You could just see how purple it is. What I did is like I let it sit in my hair for about 10 minutes and then I like brushed my teeth, everything, and then got in the shower and then washed it out. And it left me with this. This is still from the bleach that I did. It just lightened it just a little bit and just added that purpley kind of hue to it, and it's gorgeous, you guys. I don't remember the lengths that I have in my hair, but I did cut it. This still is the Peruvian Body Wave. And you guys, I've colored this hair, bleached this hair, like you guys, and it's still gorgeous. Look, I'll put it close to the camera. Not frizzy, not gross. My hair is still so soft. If my closure could last a little bit longer and I wasn't so rough on it, I would still rock this hair. It's like gotten me obsessed. Like, as you guys know, this hair was sent to me by Wondess Hair, but the big question is, would I repurchase? The answer is yes. I love this hair so much. I wish it was like growing out of my head because it's just nice and soft. This is like the kind of texture and the look that I love so much. I would definitely purchase this hair without even them sending me anything. I would totally do it. And for like a small Aliexpress hair company, they're killing it. Again, thank you so much to Wondess Hair. I really look forward to working with you guys again in the future because your hair is poppy. I do want to apologize that this video took me so long to film. I've been going through a really hard time lately. I don't want to really talk about it in this video, but I'm okay. Everything's okay. I will get back to it, back to my old self in no time. I want to thank you guys for just putting up with me and sticking around. Just everyone that supports me, even the negative comments. But I appreciate it nonetheless because you're taking your time to watch me. All of my social media links are down below as well. Don't forget to follow me on everything. Be my friend. I love you guys so much. And remember to keep your happiness first. Bye guys. See you soon.